Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Beauty Big Bang Christmas XL 031 swatches. We're going to start off with a little peel corn. Love this plate. It's got some swirly images and some, love it. I'll be using my Beauty Big Bang stamper and scraper and some swatch tips today and a bunch of Nicole Diary stamping polishes. I love that this plate has a lot of the smaller images and some of the bigger images too. I can't get enough. And Christmas images are some of my favorites, so I do love these plates. And I have already been swatching my way through them, getting them recorded and ready to share with all of you. I can tell you that all of these plates are amazing and they're etched really, really well. I haven't had any trouble with any of the pickups. And I love the images. I just think they're so cute. This one is really adorable. It's like a cabin in the woods. It's just so cute. And this one's not going to turn out real good with this green polish, so just bear with me. We're going to get through it, I promise. And it's just the wrong color combination for this. It doesn't show it very well. So I'm going to go in with some black and just go right over it. Just right over the top of it. It'll make it pop a little better. Some of that double stamping. Just got to line it up. Got to be able to see it to line it up. There we go. Adorable. And this candlestick one, or this candle one, is really a cute image. I don't have any other images like this one, and so I'm really looking forward to using this one. And that one also didn't show it very well. Come on, Tina, get it together. So we're going to double stamp it in black also and get it to show up. Because that's the point of me swatching these plates, is I want you to see how well the images, show up. There we go. Beautiful clean lines. And a cute little Santa hat. And it does take me a little longer to do plates like this that have all these little images, so this one might be a little bit longer than some of my other videos. And I know Santa hats and reindeer things don't really, go together, but they're going to fit on this nail together, so I don't want you thinking that's like a design idea I have or anything. I just wanted you to see how well it stamps. I got to go back and do these little snowmen. Try to get both of them on a nail together. I just can't get enough of like snowmen and snowflakes. I just am so excited to be doing Christmas manis now. Not all of them will be Christmas manis from here until then, but I will be doing some for sure. It's kind of like Halloween. I just get too excited. But I also run out of time, so we'll see. We'll see how many I get in this year. As you can see, all of these images are transforming, they're picking up really well, and then they're transferring to the nail very nicely too. So that's always good to know. I am trying to get through all of these plates and get the videos posted so that you've got an idea of how they look and which ones you might want to pick up, and hopefully you'll be able to get them before the holidays. So it might be a rapid succession of swatching videos from me. I don't know how it's going to work out, but I am trying to get through them all so that I have played with all of them. I have swatched every image, and I just think that they're all winners. It's just down to preference which plates have images on it that are speaking to you. You hear Cotton huffing and puffing in the background. He's bed swimming. And this image would be great for New Year's Eve because it looks like a firework with a clock. So I think that one's really neat. And I always love these swirly Christmas trees. So cute. And this image right here, excuse me, is one of my favorites. out of all of the plates. It's just, it speaks to me. And I want you to see this. This is ironic. I'm doing gold over black, and look how gorgeous that is. Love it. And we got some little lollipops. Little swirly lollipops. There we go. Perfect. I mean, the transfer is just amazing. Now this one is going to just show a little bit of the base polish underneath it. And sometimes you like images like this. You know, they're kind of what you're shooting for. So it's nice to see some on these plates also. How cute. Love me some pink hollow snowman. And a Christmas present with a pretty bow. Love it. And this one, you guys know how I feel about swirly twirly kind of things, and this one is really nice. It's like star Christmas garland. I love it. I could just see that being with so many different, you know, color combinations. And this is one of those sweater designs or wrapping paper designs. I really like those. And you can interchange them. You could use them for sweater design or, you know, like wrapping paper. It's just all how you see it, perspective. Now this one right here, of course, is another favorite image. And I think you could use it even if it's not Christmas. You could pull this one off and use it anytime. Very nice. And then another sweater image or wrapping paper. I guess any of them could be wrapping paper, the way they sell wrapping paper now, you know. Nowadays you can get wrapping paper with almost anything on it. Another beautiful pickup and delivery. Very cute. And then here we go with the last one from this plate. It's got a little bit of everything on it. I kind of like that. If you're having trouble deciding which image to use, you could just use this one because it's got everything on it. And I did top coat all of the swatches, and I will show you them right now. They are top coated and glossy, and we're just going to scroll through them real quick. I will have a link for the plate collection as well as this single plate down below in the description box if you'd like to use it. I also have a 10% discount code. It's PACK285, and that will get you 10% off of your order. I really did enjoy these plates. I hope you enjoyed seeing my swatches. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.